If you're someone who is trying to lose weight using natural methods and feel that there are not many options for you, you must watch this video. Turns out, some drinks that we use on a daily basis can be more useful for weight loss than you would have thought. And we are not talking about those fancy drinks, but the staple ones that are easily available in our kitchens. In this video, I will introduce the best drink that can help you lose weight. Staying hydrated is essential for weight loss. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, people sometimes overeat because they mistake hunger for thirst. When your body is missing something, be it food or fluids, it lets you know with symptoms that can sometimes be indistinguishable. Therefore, you might think you're hungry and need a snack when what you really need is fluid. It's not enough to just drink anything. Drinks that have calories and are sweetened with sugar, such as sweetened teas and sodas, can lead to weight gain and obesity. They may hydrate you, but since they have no nutritional value, they're not a good choice. Even drinks that have nutritional value, such as fruit juices and milk, can contribute to weight gain because they can have a lot of calories. When someone is trying to lose weight, managing stress is also an important factor. There is a connection between stress and weight gain. Elevated cortisol levels in the body can slow down metabolism and increase cravings for fatty and sugary foods. Therefore, reducing stress levels is crucial for achieving weight loss goals. So we understand that managing stress and controlling fluid intake are key factors in effective weight loss. And chamomile tea is a beverage that exhibits both of these benefits. Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section, so we can all benefit from the knowledge and insights shared. Chamomile tea is a pleasing alternative to water for calorie-free hydration. When it's cold outside, a cup of chamomile tea can warm you up, and when it's hot out, iced chamomile is a refreshing way to cool off. Just be sure to drink your tea with a sweetener for the best chamomile weight loss results. Chamomile tea is also known for its stress-reducing properties, which may enhance metabolism and support weight loss. Stress can slow down metabolism, leading to lower calorie burn and potential weight gain. Chamomile tea can help fight stress and regulate hormones, which may promote better sleep. Poor sleep quality may lead to increased stress, decreased desire for exercise, and more alcohol consumption, which can negatively affect weight. By constantly drinking chamomile tea before bed, it may help improve sleep and lead to higher serotonin production, resulting in reduced weight. Chamomile tea also can stimulate production of gastric juices in the stomach, which can aid in weight loss by assisting the digestion process. A healthy digestion system is essential for overall well-being, and consuming chamomile tea regularly can provide your body with the support it needs to create more gastric juices, enhancing overall digestion and potentially facilitating weight loss. Thanks for watching. Please tap the like button to support me, and also don't forget to subscribe me for more nutrition health contents.